Okay, everybody, welcome to the Tuesday directions video. Basically, everyone's Friday, so spirits are high. I was gonna ask you guys, or not ask you guys. Today is just missing work day. Good job working during distance learning. Most of you, a lot of you guys have zero missing assignments, which is amazing to see. So for you guys, sit back and enjoy your day. For people with missing work, here's a good chance to get caught up. So when we come back together on the 4th after break, where we're going to be in hybrid, so it'll be a good chance for you to kind of get stuff taken care of and be on a clean slate. Now, for any assignments that you guys turn in over break, if you turn in any, um, just know that they're not going to be graded until I get back. You guys are on break. I'm on break. I will get to them the first week that we're back. So just know that moving in. Um, Now for today, this is for 6th hour. Now there might be some online bingo going on. Not quite sure yet. It hasn't really been verified yet. But just be aware for 6th hour that we might have a Google Meet for this bingo if you're interested in it. If you're bored at home or you're just looking for something to do, I think we're going to be doing some online bingo perhaps. So 6th hour, check in. You'll see a Google Meet link. I think that's how we're going to have to do it, is through Google Meet. I'll know more. There's really not a lot of information out there right now for us, at least. I think they're still kind of planning it. So 6th hour, just be on the lookout. There might be a Google Meet set up to play bingo if you're interested. If not, just check in like normal, and we'll be good to go. But yeah, just something to keep an eye out for if you got nothing going on this afternoon and looking for a little entertainment at least. All right, guys, that's all I got though. Good job working hard. Enjoy your break. Do something fun. Relax. And then on the 4th, we'll come back and we'll be face to face a little bit again, and we'll just go from there. All right.